Together, back straight.
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी। विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Ganeshastava. So I share the screen. अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं। परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं। परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगं ज्ञानगम्यं। मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं। मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं। परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं। जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं। जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं। परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। Guru Stotram, page number 87. Okay. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्यः शाश्वतः शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्ति समारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोर्पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात्परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथः श्रीजगन्नाथः मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव.
Next Gita Dhyanam, page number 157.
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी. नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः. सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्.
Okay, now Bhagavad Gita test in chapter 2. Okay. Today the surprise is I will share the screen. Whoever is attending, they can look and chant. Okay. The fifth shloka by Bhavin.
गुरुन् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भरीक्षमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरुमिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रथितान्.
Okay, now I want Bhavesh to chant it again. Good Bhavin, good cry.
गुरुन् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरुमिहैव.
True.
भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्.
Good. So, Bhavin, one is Guruni Haiva and Rudhira Pradigdhan. Rudhira Pradigdhan. Okay? Good, Bhavesh. Next, Manvit, ninth shloka by Manvit.
Sanjaya uvacha evam ऋषिकेशं गुणाकेशः अनन्तः मयपक्ष इति गोविन्दं काकुष्णीं बभूवः.
Very good. Now second shloka by Jayasri. Very good. So, first, Ritvik, do you want to try? Ritvik? No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then chant the first shloka.
Sanjay uvacha tam tata krupayamishtam asrupurnam pureshanam vishidandamidam vakyam uvacha madhusudanah.
Very good. Now third shloka by Vaishnavi. Yeah.
Klaidyam mamadamam partha naidasvayupapajyate shudram hridayadodhalyam tyaktotishta parantapa.
Very good. And Jayasri, fourth shloka. Sorry. Wait. Okay, you can chant. I thought of your sister. She is Deepti Sri. I got confused. Okay, you.
Arjuna uvacha kavatam bhishmamaham sankidrutancha madhusudana ishubhih pratiyotsyami pujaha varisudana.
Very good. Fifth is done. Chayakar, did you learn sixth shloka?
Yes, teacher. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, continue. Chant sixth one.
यद्वाजयेम यदिवानो जयेयुः यानेन तस्मादविजीविषामः देवस्थिताः प्रमुखे दातराष्ट्राः.
Very good. But there are few pronunciation corrections. We will see. Bhavesh, you Kovid Ram. Yeah, chant the sixth one again.
न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः देवस्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः.
देवस्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. Otherwise, rest is good. Now, where is Mansi? Is Mansi there? Mansi, are you there? Okay, I think. Okay, now one more person. Tejo will chant 7th shloka. Please listen carefully. If he is chanting a mistake, we'll ask him to chant again. 7. Karpanya dosham.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेता यानेव
Yat Shreyas.
यस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Okay, very good. Is it okay?
Now the third line. Now Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I helped him. That is okay. I'm asking them the pronunciation friend. Okay, 8th Kovid, did you learn 8th shloka? Kovid and Sreshta.
Ma'am.
8th one, Nahi Prapashyami. No?
Ma'am, I try, ma'am.
Yeah, try.
Nahi pravastyami mamapanodhyat yachyogamucchoshana indriyanam avapya bhuma tapatnamudram rajyam suranam apicadipatyam.
Okay. But there are few corrections.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Who is that?
Ma'am, it is Sanam Indriyanam.
Yeah. Bhavesh, you try.
Nahi prapashyami mamapanudhyat yachyogamucchoshanamindriyanam avapya bhumavasapattamruddham rajyam suranam api chadhipatyam.
Yes, correct. Kovid. Practice again. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 10th shloka. Who will chant 10th shloka? Okay, Manvit raise the hand. Manvit.
तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये निशीदन्तमिदं वचः.
Very good. Sreshta, which shloka you want to chant? You can choose your shloka, whatever you learnt. Fast. Very good. Chant. यानेव हत्वा Okay, good try. Okay, who wants to chant it correctly without a mistake? Without any mistake. Okay, Bhavin. Bhavin, raise the hand.
And there's a mistake.
What was that? Yeah. Pramukhe Dharta Rashtra. Gariyaha. Re is long. Okay. So now let's chant 5 till 5 shlokas together. Okay. Start. Om Shri Okay, Manvika, Manvika, do you want to chant any sloka now? Okay, then continue. Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yogah. Sanjaya Uvacha Tam Tatha Kripayavishtam Ashrupurnakulekshanam Vishidantamidam Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kutastvakasmanamidam Vishame samupasthitam Anaryajushthamasvargyam Akirtikaram-arjuna Klaibyam masmagamah partha Naitatvayupapadyate Kshudram hridaya daurbalyam Tyaktvottishhtha parantapa. Arjuna uvacha Katham bhishmamaham sankhye Dronam cha madhusudana Ishubhih pratiyotsyami Pujarha varisudana. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke Hatvarthakamamstu gurunihaiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. We'll chant till 10. Na chaitadvidmah kataranno gariyaha Yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuhu Yane mahatva najijivishramaha Tevasthita pramukhe dhartarashtraha Karpanya doshopahata svabhavaha Pritchami tvam dharma sammudhachetaha Yachreyasya nishchitam bruhi tanme Shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam Nahi prapashyami mamapanudyat Yacchokamuccoshanamindriyanam Avapya bhumavasapatnavruddham Rajyam suranamapi chadhipatyam. Sanjaya uvacha evamuktva rishikesham Gudakeshah parantapa Nayotsya iti govindam Uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Tamuvacha Hrishikeshah prahasanniva bharata senayorubhayor madhye vishidantamidam vachah. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Vaishnavi? What is the calendar today? Ravi Vasara and Paksha. Very good. Okay. So last time we learned one shloka. What was the shloka? In Ashwayuja Masa we worship whom?
Vishnu.
Adhika. See, last time when I told the calendar, everybody got confused. I guess maybe I confused you. It is not always Adhika Masa will not fall in Ashwayuja Masa. Adhika Masa may be Adhika Jeshta, Adhika Ashada, Adhika Ashwayuja. This year it is Adhika Ashwayuja. So always Adhika Masa, whatever extra month we get, it will be called as Purushottama Masa. Okay? Adhika Masam is not called as Adhika Ashwayujam. Adhika Masam is called as Purushottama Masam. Okay? Got it? And Purushottama Masam is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. But in Ashwayuja Masam, we celebrate Dasara. So we worship Mata Durga. So that's why we learned one shloka. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvardha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. We'll do it again. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvardha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Again. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvardha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Okay. Very good. It is in page number 54. Now you mute. Namastestu Mahamaye. No, repeat after me. Namastestu Mahamaye.
Namastestu Mahamaye.
Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Namastestu Mahamaye.
Namastestu Mahamaye.
Mute and chant. Repeat after me. Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Shankha Chakra
Shankha Chakra
Gadhahaste.
Gadhahaste.
Shankha Chakra Gadhahaste.
Shankha Chakra Gadhahaste.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Shankha Chakra Gadhahaste.
Shankha Chakra Gadhahaste.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Now we will do it together. Okay? Namastestu Mahamaye. Shri Pithe Surapujite. Shankha Chakra Gadhahaste. Mahalakshmi Namostute. Very good. This is the homework for next week. Okay. Now Ramayana. Where were we? In Ayodhya Kanda. Last week Kaikeyi revealed her wishes to Dasharatha, and Dasharatha was very, very unhappy, and he was Manvit?
After some shortage, Dasharatha will die, right?
Yes, but you should not reveal the suspense, Manvit. And in between the story, you should not ask such questions. Let's flow, let's go with the story and see what will happen. Okay? Now, last week we have seen how Kaikeyi demanded her wishes and Dasharatha was helpless. And he came to know that he had to fulfill her wishes and Ramji should go to Vanvas forest. So that's why he was crying the whole night. He was crying and he was falling unconscious. And finally, after a while, with great difficulty, he uttered a word. He called out Kaikeyi, "Oh Kaikeyi, I disown you. I took your hand in marriage with the holy fire as the witness, right? Now I disown you and your son." Who is her son? Bharata. And when Ram goes to forest, definitely my body will be lifeless. And when I die, you are not. Bharat should not offer any rituals. Offer water to me. Only Ram should do everything. That's what his word he talked to Kaikeyi. And then after this tragic shock, he was unconscious for a while and slowly the sun has risen, the day dawned. Ayodhya, unaware of all the situations, Ayodhya was gearing up for the ceremony, coronation ceremony of Sri Rama. So, under the supervision of who is the Guru? Vasishtha Muni. All the preparations of the coronation had been completed. Now he came up to the palace of Dasharatha and there he saw the beautiful Ayodhya city with the grand buildings and the streets decked up with flags and decorations. And he can sense the joy of the people also. And then he called out Sumantra. Who is Sumantra? Sumantra is the minister of Dasharatha and the charioteer of Dasharatha and his good friend also. So Sumantra had the freedom of going to the private chambers. Otherwise, normally the servants will have access to a limited place. But Sumantra had the access to his private chambers also. So go and call Dasharatha and inform him about the arrangements. Then Sumantra went into the private chambers. While going, he also saw the palace where people from other cities and normal common folks, everybody were coming to witness the ceremony, coronation ceremony. And he felt happy. Hundreds of people came. Then he went inside. There he thought that Dasharatha was sleeping. So in olden days they used to wake them up with the prayer. Like he started saying the prayer, like how the charioteer of Indra wakes up the Indra, like I am waking you up. Please bless us, like the sun rays blesses the earth. You bless us. Like that he was talking and he briefed him up. He briefed about the coronation arrangements also. Then Dasharatha looked at him with the bloodshot eyes. He was completely unhappy, right? And Sumantra was stunned. Dasharatha said, "Don't torture me with these kind of words," he said. Sumantra was stunned. But immediately Kaikeyi took the charge and said that Sumantra, the king was he was more excited about the coronation of Ram. That's why he could not sleep properly in the night. She said, with lot of difficulty, he said, "Sumantra, go get Ram. I wish to see him now." Sumantra thought it was true. Maybe Dasharatha was having due to lack of sleep, he was like that. He came out. When he stepped out of the palace, now thousands of people were waiting there to witness the ceremony, coronation ceremony. Then navigating through the crowd, He saw the Rajmarg. Rajmarg is the way to the royal palace. The Rajmarg was full of people, and there was music in the air. He can sense the music in the air and the smell of incense. And there was a great anticipation of people also. So he navigated through the crowd.
What is anticipation?
Anticipation is they are waiting. So then he started towards the Ramji's palace. Finally, he reached Ramji's palace. There Valmiki ji explains it can be compared to the palace of Lord Indra in Amaravati. It's such a beautiful palace it was, and even we can compare it to the Mount Kailash. It was like, remember kids, imagine what I'm saying. See, the palace, the peak was decorated, the peak was made with golden statues, and the arches in the palace was studded with gems, and it was decorated with precious diamonds and pearls all over. It was so beautiful, and when he was entering in the courtyard, peacocks, deers were dancing, going here and there, and he can sense the smell of sandalwood. And here also Sumantra had the freedom. He went into the private chambers of Ramji and Sita, where Ram was sitting along with Sita, and he was dressed up in the ceremonial attire, festival attire, because he's going to be coronated, right? So he got dressed up in that attire, and he was sitting on a golden couch along with Sita. Then Sumantra said, Dasharatha was with Kaikeyi and he wished to see you. Then immediately Ramji, see, look at Ram, he was unaware of all the drama what had happened the last night. So he said, oh Sita, definitely Maharaja and the Queen were talking about my coronation. Kaikeyi, he said, my mother always wants best for me. She loves me more than anybody. So maybe she was urging for the arrangement, and she was talking to Dasharatha about all the arrangements. She wanted best for me. So then he started to Dasharatha's palace. Then Sita Mata came till the door and gave send off to him. She wished him all the best. Then there was a great chariot waiting. When Ramji stepped out of the palace, immediately Lakshmana was waiting outside. They both together got onto the chariot. The chariot was dazzling, and it was the dazzling chariot with gold and gems. Ramji got onto the chariot. Then everybody, before Ramji's palace also, there were people waiting. So there was a big uproar among the crowd. So after seeing Ramji, they were very happy. And after the chariot, they started following the common people on foot, the warriors on horseback, elephants, and musicians and singers also joined. It was like a rehearsal of a procession. Right? So they started, and the people were showering flowers and blessings to Ramji, and Ramji overheard few words from the people. They were talking how blessed they are if Ram becomes the king, how happy, and they will be blessed with peace and prosperity. And they were also telling like, Ram, you follow the path of your ancestors. What was the path of their ancestors? Dharma. Tulsidas ji has also written Ramayana. In his book, he says, Raghukul Reet Sada Chalyai, Pran Jai Par Vachal Na Jai. Means, for Raghuvanshis, they can die, but they don't want to break their promise. Instead of breaking the promise, they opt to die. So that was the strength of Raghuvamshis, his ancestors. So they were blessing them. So Ramji was listening, and few people were saying, if Ram doesn't see you, your life is a waste. And if we don't see Ram also, that life is also waste. Like that, that was the love of the people in Ayodhya. So finally, after a while, they reached Dasharatha's palace. So here Valmiki ji gives the live telecast how before entering into the palace, there are 3 kakshyas, 3 courtyards. They crossed the 3 courtyards with a chariot, and then Ramji got down and he walked 2 kakshas and then 2 courtyards. After that, he went alone to Dasharatha's private chambers. There he saw Dasharatha and Kaikeyi Mata. Dasharatha's head was hanging low and he respectfully touched their feet. He did not know. Then Dasharatha just uttered Ram. After that, he could not talk anymore. His throat was parched, eyes were filled with tears, and even he could not look up Ram. So Ram realized this is the first time he was seeing his father like that. So he was worried. Immediately he went to Kaikeyi. Mother, what happened to father? Is he ill? Or anything happened to Bharat or Shatrughna? Or did I do anything wrong? Please tell me. So now it's Kaikeyi's turn. Valmiki ji says, shameless Kaikeyi. She started saying, nothing happened. He is fine. Only thing he is worried is he has given me one promise and now he wants to go back on the promise. I will tell you what had happened if you promise me that you will abide, you will follow it. Then Ramji was like, where is the question of breaking a promise? I never break a promise. I go to you. Please tell me what had happened. I will follow whatever is father's wish. That's it. Now Kaikeyi started from where Dasharatha, she saved Dasharatha's life and about the 2 boons, and now I want Bharata to be coronated instead of you, and you have to go to exile. She said it so light. See, imagine, these are the same words she uttered to Dasharatha. What had happened? He still could not recover from that shock. He was trembled after listening to, but nothing. To Ram, the same words, they are not working like that. He was not at all shaken. He was not feeling angry or he was not feeling sorrowful. He said, without battling an eyelid also, he said, yes, I will go. Eva mastu vanam gamishyami. I will go. If it is father's wish, definitely I will go. So that's what his reaction. With complete equanimity, Ramji had accepted the words. And now he wanted Bharata's coronation to be swift and smooth. So he said, let's send our messengers to Kekeya kingdom, where Bharata and Shatrughna were with their grandfather. Who was his grandfather? Ashwapati. Ashwapati's daughter is Kaikeyi. So let's call them and immediately we will coronate Bharata. There is no change. I don't feel any change if Bharat is coronated. It is like I am coronated. So that was the feeling of Rama. And if you want me to go to exile, I am ready. Only thing is, I want to take leave from my mother Kausalya and say this word to Sita. Just he was worried how they will take it. He was okay. For him, first comes the word. And there is no big dharma other than fulfilling a father's wish. This is my promise. I will go to the forest. These are the very, very important words. We will take it, we will analyze in the next class. Okay, children? So now the morals. For me, first I thought when I was reading the text, why Valmiki ji is explaining so much about the luxuries. See, he explained how the palace was looking like, how Ramji was dressed up, and how the chariot was also, and how people were thinking. Because there is no fault of Ram. but he was asked to go to forest. Still he was not feeling anger or jealous or any emotions, right? Yeah. Now morals, you can unmute and start.
We should always follow the dharma.
Correct.
On your promise. We should fulfill our promise.
Yeah, respect. If we respect our parents, we have to fulfill their wishes, their words we have to follow. That is the respect we give.
Ma'am.
Yes.
We should always follow dharma.
Yes, correct. We should follow dharma.
Ma'am, don't be selfish and foolish. Ma'am, we should
Correct.
fulfill our promise.
True. And from these privileges, from the luxuries Ramji had,
Don't break the promise.
yes,
Don't break the promise. We have to stand on our promise.
correct. Stand on your word. So this applies to everybody, right? For all of us. And yeah, Manvit.
Don't wish for others' destruction.
Correct. Don't wish for others' destruction.
Stay happy with what you have. Don't ask for more.
Yes, when you have everything, enjoy the luxuries, but don't get attached. This is what I understood when he was explaining the royal palace, the chariot, all the luxuries Ramji had, and you can have the privileges, but don't get attached. So immediately he was ready to give up everything. When you have everything, giving up is very different. If you don't know what is a tomato, you can give up tomato easily if you never taste it, right? But after you tasted the cheese or burger, giving up is very different. So this shows these points made Ramji elevated. So now he became the Lord for all of us and showing the path how to behave. Even though you are in between, in the midst of the luxuries, he's ready. He's completely ready to give up, right? So never get attached to the materialistic world. For him, more than the materialistic world, the word makes sense. Let's chant Hanuman Chalisa. Okay?
Ma'am, tell everybody to be mute, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, if you are in mute, we can listen to everybody. I mean, you can listen to my voice clearly. Okay? Thank you. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Nij Manu Mukur Sudhari Barnau Raghubar Bimala Jasu Jodayak Falachari Buddhihina Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavana Kumara Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Hara Sukha Haru Kalesha Vikar Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar Jaya Kapisati Loka Ujagar Ramaduta Atulita Baladhama Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama Mahavira Vikrama Bajrangi Kumati Nivara Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchana Varana Viraja Subesa Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesa Hat Vajra Audvaja Viraje Kande Munja Jane Usage Shankara Suvana Kesari Nandana Teja Pratapa Mahajagbandan Vidyavana Guni Adichatur Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur Prabhu Charitra Sunibe Ko Rasiya रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई साहस बदन तुमरो जस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिगपाल जाते कभी कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीना तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाहि दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरण तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हांकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लाए सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा हे पर सिद्धि जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई और देवता चित्तन धरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई छूटहि बंध महासक होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय महडेरा पवन तनय संकट हर
असुर भूप
सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, गुरु भाई सब संतन की जय। जय हनुमान, जय श्री राम
की जय।
जय। So okay, now let's close the class. ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ नमः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Pledge. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values. Within and without us, we live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Thank you. Hari Om, children.